Initially, what is the time period? First, we'll get the time period one. Time period of A will be let me take this time period as T naught. So this will be 2T naught. So time period of A will be 2 times of time period of B. Okay, fine. First we have this one. So initially where this is B, no? This is B. Let B start from here. And what about A? A it has at other extreme. I felt like using this phasor diagram, it'll be easy for us to analyze. Whenever two particles will come, no, better to take phasor diagram because they will help us a lot. Both will be at same position. So how A will move? So you look at the motion of the A. A will swing like this, B will swing, no? So they should move opposite. So the path of the B is what something I should predict like this. And the A what pen I should give in this direction. Okay, fine. So finally, both what happen will be at same point. Both will be at same point. So here, some other color I'll give it. These are very, very, very important and popular problems. Everyone must think on this. After some time t, there'll be here, and the B what happen will be here. So they have crossed each other. So these angles, what we can write, this will be theta 2, theta 2. So let me take this is theta. This is theta 1. These two angles must be equal. So what is theta 1 plus theta 2 is pi. What is theta 1? Time taken by B. What is the time period? Shall we write? It is like this. Theta 1 by t equal to 2 pi by t naught. This is for B. For A, what we write? Theta 2 by t equal to 2 pi by 2t naught. So theta 1 will be so t equal to t naught by 3. So what is t naught? Already we assumed it. So after what time? It will be if you have any other method, you can try it. I felt like the graphical method will be much easier. You can solve the problem in a very simplified way. So what is the thing like the B will swing? So as the B swings, so will it meet at equilibrium? We don't know. Again, will they meet exactly when the strings become vertical? That has to be verified afterwards. Okay, got the idea? Okay, this is about the pendulums. Last one more will go for it. You can try this. Let me do this one, 11th one.